In the next 5 minutes, you're gonna learn how to play simple tunes by ear, even if you never tried it before. People won't believe how fast you pick this up, but it's easier than you think. No complicated theory, no big headache. Let's jump right in. And first, we start with the anchor note trick. We need a little anchor, a note to lock in our ear. And let's pick the middle C on your keyboard and place your right hand thumb on it. Now let's play this note a few times. And listen close. This is your home base. We're gonna come back to it very often. Okay, so here's how we train your ear fast. Instead of memorizing a bunch of note names, we're gonna listen for when something feels right. From your home base C, press the next white key to the right. That's D. And then back to C. Notice how that upward step has a slightly bright sound. Let's do this together. C, D, C. And again, listen closely. Next, we jump 2 white keys up from C to E, and then come back to C. Let's do this together. C, hear how that's a bit bigger jump? If you can recognize how these jumps feel, you can find notes purely by ear. Let's practice that with a quick guess game. I play a note and you tell me if it's 1 step from C, like D, or 2 steps from C, like E. So, ready? Close your eyes and I play it now. Which is it? Right, it's just 1 step. Okay, let's do another. What about this? Yep, that's 2 steps. Perfect. So let's use that skill to build a mini melody by ear. We're only gonna use 3 notes: C, D, and E. So now listen to me, close your eyes, listen to me, and after that, copy what I do. Ready? Close your eyes. Here's melody 1. Okay, now pause the video and try this melody by ear. Okay, welcome back. I hope you had fun. You can definitely try searching the notes. Let's try this with another melody. Close your eyes and listen carefully. Here's the next melody. Okay, pause the video and go for it. Welcome back. Great. If at any point you get it wrong, don't sweat it. Just use your ear to nudge yourself back on track, and you'll be surprised how quickly it clicks. Here's the fun twist. If you take these 5 white keys, C, D, E, G, A, and just jam on them, you'll sound pretty musical. Yeah, we'll skip the F and B for now. Yeah, but let's run up and down this set. So, now try playing them randomly while focusing how each note feels. If you hear a note that doesn't fit, slide back to a note that sounds better to you. In just a minute or two, you'll be picking out a small melodic phrases by ear. Let me give you a few examples. Okay, great. Pause the video and try this out a bit. Okay, welcome back. Are you ready for something even cooler? I'm gonna play a short phrase using C, D, E, G, A, and you guess the note. And then we play together. Ready? Here's the phrase. I play it again, and then you pause the video, and then you try to catch the note. So again. Okay, now pause the video and try this. Did you catch it? Let's do this slowly together. So here's the solution. D, E, G, E, D, C, A. Now again, it's your turn. Go for it and play this melody again. If it sounds off, nudge your fingers left or right until it matches. That's how you train yourself to hunt for the right pictures. That's it. It's a hunt for the right pictures. All right. So let's keep the difficulty even so we are not jumping into anything crazy. With your left hand, press and hold a low C. That drone makes your ear sense which notes fit the C vibe. It's kind of like a built-in safety net. So the left hand, press C and hold. Right hand, improvise on these 5 notes, C, D, E, G, A. So, and this sounds like this. Doesn't that sound more complete? So now it's your turn. Pause the video for a sec and also try this. Left hand plays C as often as you want for the grounding note for the C vibe, and the right hand improvises using these 6 notes. All right, welcome back. And now check out how quickly you can come up with a pretty melody holding that low C, and just try a mini pattern like C, D, E, D, C, and then G, A, G, E, C. Again. It's all by feel, and let your ear guide. Please feel free to come up with your own melody. Try this now. Okay, welcome back. Look at you, literally playing by ear. Isn't this great? If you're having fun and you really like it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps tremendously. Also, if you're a beginner, I do have a free piano beginners course, which is a free video series. And you can grab this on my website totally for free. The link is down in the description. Yeah, click the first link in the video description. You get to my website. And then you can sign up to this free course. I highly recommend this for all beginners. The best thing is pause this video now, grab this really quick so that you don't forget it, and then we'll can go on with this video. Okay, welcome back. And before we wrap, let's apply this ear method to a short snippet that sounds like a real tune. I'll play a mini fragment that hints a famous melody and see if you can follow along by ear. So, let's do. Any guesses which classic kids tune that start sounds like? And then that's right, sounds a bit like Mary Had a Little Lamb. But we found it purely by ear. Yeah. No need to pause or rewind. I'll go nice and steady. Start on C, C, D, E, and then E, D, E, D, C. Now you see how easy it is to figure out these micro melodies. No reading notes, no stress. Wow, you just discovered that ear training can be simple. With a bit of repetition, you'll amaze yourself and anyone listening when you pick out tunes on the spot. Remember, start with a home base like the C. Then learn the feel of smaller cluster of notes. And then experiment, guess, and correct yourself if a note sounds off. Your next step is to keep practicing these bit-sized phrases. Try it with different root notes if you're feeling adventurous. And seriously, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe and let me know in the comments if it helps and you start playing by ear. I love hearing your success stories. You're officially done with this mini crash course in playing by ear. Nicely done. I'll see you in the next video here. And now that you can hear melodies out of thin air, imagine how you'll sound once you add chords to the mix. Stick around, I've got a quick line coming on screen that'll show you an easy chord trick next.